X-ray.
Take one. Take one.
In the crew, tell me what you wanna do. In the feet we hop outside, yeah, new tents, new ride. Mama got a new crib, asked me 2 floors, 100 strips, backseat, looking like a sprinter in a track meet. Don't give a fuck what you ask me. I ain't gambling on life, my nigga. Get the chance, roll the dice, my nigga. Everything I did it twice, my nigga. Just to show you what it's like, my nigga. Went through lows for the rides, my nigga. DC South ride, my nigga. Kings Lane, I'ma ride for niggas. Killer flow, don't kill a vibe, my nigga. I ain't in it for the famous, the fetish. Watch me kill a game for the aesthetic. I'm the greatest, couldn't better and said it. Murder everything, on God, I'ma dead it. Fuck you niggas like it's word of my daddy. I mean what I say and I'm unapologetic. Killing my feelings, don't see what I said it. Nigga want smoke, send me the edit. Rich and love and still broke the niggas. Pain game is like dope, the niggas. Where I'm from, I'm like hope, the niggas. That's the reason I don't cope with niggas. Same verse, the same flow, my nigga. Test the game like what you owe, my nigga. Pay the game like it broke, my nigga. Family thinking that I'm on, my nigga. And when I wake up, recognize looking at me for the pay cut. I'ma pay the whole hood with a pay stub. I'ma pin the whole truth what they make up. Like my grandma told me, change the game, my nigga. Fuck the fame, it's the pain, my nigga. Look at y'all, we not the same, my nigga. Fuck these niggas finna tell me. Fuck these niggas finna tell me. Fuck these niggas finna tell me. Life is hard, but what you made of? Think about the stories that you made up. Bragging about the pay to the pay cut. I was out when you were your day ones. I went hard, still went harder than most. I ain't even tryna brag on my post. One hand, bet I juggle the coast. Catch Lamar, controlling the coast. Me and my niggas in the crew. Tell me what you wanna do. In the feet we hop outside, yeah, new tents, new ride. Mama got a new crib, asked me 2 floors, 100 strips, backseat, looking like a sprinter in a track meet. Don't give a fuck what you ask me. I ain't in it for the hype, my nigga. Struggle with my biggest vice, my nigga. I'm the product of the light, my nigga. I'm the product of the vibe, my nigga. Had to go to cut the lights, my nigga. Dropping tools, you dropping dimes, my nigga. New whip, this is drive, my nigga. All my niggas on the ride, my nigga. Everybody when they get it, I got it. Kill a frame, I be killed it and shot it. Shock and drive, had to stick and move it, had to re-em up and had to re-improve. Got a red fall like they had to lose. Took a break and lost the attitude. Changing angles kinda changed my views. Still at the same with the fame I do. Me and my niggas in the crew, tell me what you wanna do. In the feet we hop outside, yeah, new tents, new ride. Mama got a new crib, asked me 2 floors, 100 strips, backseat, looking like a sprinter in a track meet. Don't give a fuck what you ask me. I feel like matters with the top, my nigga. If I'm down bad, it's going up, my nigga. I was in the mud and I was stuck, my nigga. Had to change the game, it wasn't luck, my nigga. Now it's me, my niggas in the crew, hopping out is what we do. Always and nothing new. What happens next is up to you. I'm a nigga, fuck that. You gon' get your ass in the whip, hop your ass in the back. We gon' play your shit for these folks and we gon' slide. Simple as that.